Hi guys. So I just wanted to show you how to get ready for bed. So one of the things about wearing natural beaded rose extensions is you want to protect them at night and also protect your scalp. That way everything is just super comfortable and you don't wake up with a mass of tangles, and you're just keeping everything as smooth and silky and healthy as possible. So even when you're away, like I'm at the hotel, you just need a couple of things. It doesn't have to be like a big deal. The number one thing you do want to do is brush your extensions. So I always start like holding midway and just get through those. You want to get through those tangles, and then you want to get right up to where your row is. My row is right here, and like dig in a little bit. You don't need to be afraid of brushing your hair. You need to brush your hair. It doesn't take long, but it just keeps everything really, really nice. And if you've curled your hair, like today I curled it with a 1-inch barrel, it's just gonna break up those curls a little bit, but they're not gonna disappear, especially because I'm gonna sleep in a twist. I like a twist better than a braid, just because I like the way it looks better in the morning when I wake up. So also, another thing that's really important is you want to keep your extensions hydrated. Moisture is your friend. So use your oil. Of course, I'm using Moroccan oil, original treatment, cute little travel size bottle. You don't need much. You need a little bit. And you just run that through those ends. So this is going to help with dryness, split ends. It's going to keep that shine, and it just helps make everything feel really, really good. So you don't want it up on your scalp. You never want to put that oil up on your scalp, any oil. So you can do it in 2 braids or twists. You can do braids too if you like braids, or you can do them in just one. So I have one ponytail holder with me, so that's what I'm gonna do. So I guess I'll go to my other side. So you just take 2, and this is not just a normal twist. You want to do a locking twist. So the best way to do this is take your back one and go forward. So that's in, just think you're going in, and then under the front. So then switch. In, under, in, under. So if you want it tighter, it'll give you a little bit tighter wave in the morning when you wake up. You'll just twist it a little bit more, like I'm kind of doing right now. If you want looser, you only twist it a little bit. So then you put your either scrunchie or little hair tie. You don't want it super tight, but it has to be tight enough to stay in overnight. This is stretchy, so I need a 4th. All right, so then these are all wrapped in, and it's not going to unlock. If you just twist those hairs around, but you're not twisting them in before you go under, they will loosen up and it won't stay intact. So this is actually probably tighter than I like. So I'm just gonna loosen it up, and I'll just show you how that looks. So if you just do 1 twist and then pull it under the other one, super easy. And see how it's a little bit softer, it's a little bit bigger, and that's actually how I usually wear them. Typically I curl my hair with a 1 1/4 inch barrel because I like a little bit more relaxed curl, but I am kind of digging the look of the 1 inch instead. So it just depends on what you like and what you're into. So last night I think I slept in like a messy bun, but I don't like that just because I usually am uncomfortable if I roll over onto my back. So just 1 or 2 twists on the side works the best for me. And especially this time of year, the weather is dry, you need to make sure you're putting that oil on for you to stay nice and supple. So I hope that helped, and don't be afraid to brush your hair. Brush it before you go to bed and you'll be fine. All right guys, if you need any more tips and tricks, just let me know, and I will be talking to you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.